Well, we're still tracking some heavy snow across the central part of the nation and into the upper Midwest. Of course, the winds are now strong, and that is causing some blizzard and whiteout conditions across much of the upper Midwest and the Front Range of the Rockies. We're talking about a southern severe threat again today with some heavy rain and flood potential. Take a look at the blizzard warnings in red from the international border, the Red River Valley, now into Nebraska and western Kansas. Again, whiteout conditions with those winds gusting up close to 50 miles per hour, especially up near Fargo. So this is definitely of some concern if you do have post-Christmas travel plans here. We've already had quite a bit of snow. It looks like we may pick up an additional 6 to 12 inches in parts of northern and northeastern Minnesota. Likely to see a little bit of icing as well. Not a big ice concern, but the heavy rain threat will continue in many spots here from Minneapolis down to the Sioux Falls region, maybe an additional ½ inch to an inch of total liquid. On the tail end of that, that'll switch back over to some snowfall in the Twin Cities, but everything that is wet is going to be freezing overnight tonight and into your Friday as the temperatures plummet. And down to the south we go, where severe weather concerns will be anywhere from marginal to slight risks, again with the large hail, damaging wind, and even isolated tornado threat. But because we'll have these thunderstorms ongoing, we're going to have very heavy rainfall, which could lead to some flash flooding. Some 2 to 4 inch rainfall tallies can't be ruled out. And from New Orleans all the way to just west of D.C., we have flood concerns. Now, temperatures out ahead of the storm system, pretty warm, 72 in Houston, and that is anywhere from 10 to almost 20 degrees above average. Look at Chicago, almost 20 degrees above average, but that colder air is going to be pouring in on the backside of the storm system, and our temperatures again will be plummeting as we take you through the next few days. But as we enter early January next week, you can see that the central U.S. will be cooler than average, especially as you get into the southern U.S. Have a good one.